On the road again. On the road again. And I'm here with Scott and Cherise. Yeah, Scott look like him wants to sleep. So don't sleep, you know. Alright. And Cherise. And we're on a road trip.
Huh?
I'm gonna focus with you. I'm focused now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna start the vlog now. I'm back at the car, but I saw it go. We're on our way to Ochi today. I think we're gonna have a very, very exciting vlog today because we're going to Yaaman Adventures. After last night, I kind of drained out and thing, but I gotta make this work for y'all. So we're up on the road and we're just leaving Kingston actually, but you know, from Kingston to Ochi is not that far, especially with the highway 2000. So we'll be there in probably like an hour. So once again, y'all are on the road with me for another exciting vlog, and stay tuned. So we'll go on. Yes, y'all. Alright guys, I'll make a stop at Tasties because I'll get some breakfast. Where I'll get cherries?
Hello? Yeah. Chicken, calamari, saltfish, okra with pigtail, and cornmeal porridge.
Alright, I can get the cornmeal porridge.
What's that porridge?
And a callaloo breakfast with some fried dumpling.
Salt porridge and a callaloo breakfast?
Oh, bless. Yes, please. Thank you.
Fried dumpling.
Give thanks you alive. One mount a shot, man skip and dive. But anyway, man, make it out, man still survive. Chano, me give thanks, me live for see the age. Give thanks in a them days. Give thanks in a them last days. Chano, me vex my friend, them no live for see the age. I'm begging you a favor, protect me. Yes, so I said, oh, if you turn your back on the dogs, remember all I when you used to dip on the block. And I talk about, say, who know I go rich, know you're rich. You switch, you really do that. Right now, me want a meal for share with me. I'm a friend them. I grade it a kick. I.
Her, the driver.
We have arrived.
Oh my god. Suppose we're going into the middle of nowhere. They had the signs.
Wrong turn 9 this. You want the wrong turn movie they make out. Wrong turn 9 this. Wrong turn 9.
Wrong turn.
Jamaica edition.
I think we're going to rest.
This is for Yaaman Irie.
Yes, we're here.
Irie.
Oh, beautiful. Okay guys, so we are here finally. No, just to pay. And as you can see, we are at, let me see the sign. Can't see it right there. Can you see where we at? We are in Yaaman Adventures, and the rain is like really trying to mess up my day for some strange reason, but I hope it holds up so that I can get the opportunity to enjoy myself here, because that's what I'm looking forward to. By the way, it's Sunday, a very rainy Sunday at that. But yeah, Tricks, Cherise and Kurt would have come. Them they far. Oh, so them they know. Cherise and Scott, yeah, I guess this is where we're going to have lunch and stuff. So you guys will be getting all the excitement with me too, just going inside to take care of the reservations and everything. So all them have a little souvenir shop. Can get like Jamaican t-shirts, tequila cups, teacups, small bottle of rum. If it's really sunny and you forgot your shades, you can get your shades. They have like cute pants and ooh, that's me. Let me show you guys. So that's me right there. As I can see, I just have on a little shorts and it's off the shoulder top. I've kind of been liking off the shoulder tops lately. So I didn't want to get too dressed up because I know we're going to get dirty. So yeah. So them have souvenir bags. They have cherries for sale and some sandals. That's what I can see. Lots of stuff here. See? And then they have the little lounge area outside. I think I'm gonna get me a t-shirt souvenir. Right here, so yeah, I think I'm gonna get a t-shirt souvenir. All that stuff. Alright, so I'm gonna get deal with the reservations and then get back to you guys for later.
You have on the yellow band that indicates that you're doing the all-inclusive package, which of course means you're doing all the tours that we offer here, okay? You're doing the jitney, that's a tractor-pulley and open carriage, which will take you around, leave you at the Great House to do the culinary experience, after which it will bring you back here. Every tour starts here, and every tour ends here. You should be doing the horseback riding also, the segways. The segways take you to the camel park, you ride the camels and bring you back here. And of course, the wet and the dirty dune buggy tour. Alright? For the horseback ride and the segway, if you are 230 pounds and above, that tour is a no-no for you. We will complete a change of activity report. The buffet line there, that's also a part of your package. I'll let you know what time is best. And at the extreme bottom of the refrigerator right there, that's also a part of your package. Anything else, you'll have to pay for it.
Going on a first.
All the way down.
First, what do you call it? Adventure. What am I saying? We're gonna first. The Segway thing. So we changed into our sneaks. Cause I'm going to change my shirt because this is too much for all these activities. But I'm just gonna go on the first adventure first, and then I change my shirt because this shirt is too much. Yeah, I didn't take a shirt, so I'm gonna buy one of the souvenir shirts, which is gonna be fitting because them said Jamaica pan it and one look, and I just want that vibe today. Yeah. So, and so we are always arguing. Just tricks there. Ready for the road. When we get on the Segway, the link, you know.
All aboard, all aboard. All aboard, all aboard. We're not frightened for things where we know we can't afford. If we want it, do it, we a hustle on the road. I'm so intriguing. Get the vision and wake up, me do it. No live dreaming. Money ball, spring cleaning, money move. It's easy. Honeymoon this evening, no. Money marriage and me dirty, I become me clean. Carotene and me chain, frame Raja Rabbit. Denim, jeans, blueberry ragamuffin. Pan Peter Fala Nuffy. Slave vampire, I'm love it. Ah boy.
So I'm all geared up, guys. We got our protection gear on. Protection gear so we don't fall off. Protection. I have my own nice camera here. Yeah, ready, Kurtwood?
Yeah, man, you know, we're at the theme park adventure. You know, we're out in the wilderness. We have beer bike and beer things. Everything lit. Man's hot. Got bad. If me drop and chip up my knee, me a sue, that me a say. My elbow. And me need them pad up. So how come you not getting the helmet? How can I race this place this? I come black.
Yes, look at my head.
I come black, you know, them not giving a helmet. Jano star. What's your poor?
I'm excited.
Like some Power Ranger.
Like some what?
Power Ranger. Go Power Rangers. Don't quit the day job.
Welcome to Yaaman Adventure Park. My name is Billy.
Okay, Billy.
I have your bike. Going right to the Camel, give you a ride and back. And it's about 3 minutes up. They are Segway self-balance. So they already balance. You don't try to balance machine, you balance you. Yeah. And it's heel and toe, so it's a motion that works with your body, you lean to go.
Okay.
But you don't lean over. Don't stick your butt out. So no matter what, no stepping from it.
Alright.
No bending of the loop.
Question, alright.
Not too close to the edges. Right, you're on the machine now, here it's for balance. So it's for swaying, so you sway your arm. All about your arm, so you sway side to side to go.
Can that test?
Yeah man, you practice first, you know. Yeah, you practice
Woo!
before you go.
Get them.
No problem.
Get them, get them, get them.
Get them.
Get them,
Whoa.
get them.
Whoa.
Get them.
Whoa. Whoa.
Push the goal. Push the goal. Push the goal.
Power.
Long way from it.
Go, stop, relax.
It looks so good. Watch her hair. Watch her hair. Oh my God, Alicia, what to sign me up for this? Hey guys. So you sure I can't fall off?
No man, you
Sure, you
won't
stop
fall.
worrying about falling.
Yeah man,
You go next.
You feel balanced?
yeah, man, you remember the machine already balanced? So you will know, right? So just relax, don't put power too much. Remember, the more you do the faster it goes. Alright.
Go Alicia. Hey.
Alright, one.
Take a picture, don't stop. Oh my God. Just lean forward a little.
You can control the leaning now.
Just lean forward a little.
And back it. Right, just side to side.
Don't do that. Oh my God. Let him go by it.
Yes, please.
Huh?
So I'm trying to vlog while. Oh, so yeah, you can do it, so I can do it too. I'm trying to vlog while basically being on the Segway. It's kind of fun. I just wish I'd changed my shirt before I started because I'm gonna get dirty. But yeah, look for Sharice. Sharice is scared, but at least she's trying. Go, Shar! I think the issue is to turn now with the camera in my hand.
Hands free. I love this now.
Woo! Ready?
I don't see me.
Catch me, catch me, catch me.
No, you're going away, but I don't see me.
You're in the shot. Just come catch me now.
I'm trying. This is so rocky. It's so rocky for me.
This is so dope, yo. Yeah, reach now.
Yes.
Reach.
Okay?
Come down the shot.
I have to be behind you.
Look at you. Watch the potholes. Woo!
Right.
Alright, so we get to one destination and now we're about to ride the camels. Oh my God, they're so cute. Wow, guys, look at these. I've never ridden a camel before.
Dubai, right?
I'm in Dubai, guys. I'm gonna ride a camel. Ooh, that shit looks scary, man. Sharice, are you ready for this? Yes. I am not. Why? It looks scary. Oh, these are. I'm not sure if I'm ready to go on this. It looks a bit scary, but we'll see what happens here.
I think he likes me.
Oh, is he nice? Hi, baby.
I think he likes me.
He like man. He's a gay.
No, he's not gay. I'm just cool. I think he likes me.
Oh, Sharice is up. What's the most exciting part of about your job?
Which part of your job? This part?
Yeah, this what you do here, taking people on the entire tours.
And guide. To just dealing with people and what?
And seeing smiles on their faces and
Right.
stuff.
Trying
That's
to
good.
make them happy as well.
That's true,
And
because
guide them
sometimes when
right.
people come here, they come to relieve, and
Right.
it's true.
So it's basically about people and all.
Ride it like a go-go.
You
Yeah.
look so-
Yo, Shar, say hi. Say hi.
I'm back, guys.
Say hi.
Say hi.
So yeah.
Study stone.
Marshmallow.
Marshmallow.
Am I close enough? I feel like me gonna drop through this. We can't go over the moon. Next thing we'll drop through this. Okay? You're so nice. Thank you. Hey. Oh, this is fun. Let me record you. Looks so cute.
Yeah, man, you two can.
Aww.
The other two can go up now.
Come in.
Wait, let me go up. Okay. Are you at the front, Cherise?
Yes, I was. Go on at the front. Go on at the front. It's okay. It's smooth. Just go on.
Go on the pig now.
Just go on and balance and just hold on. I don't expect this from you. Come on, get on the thing.
Lock your leg now. Break it down. Oh, come on.
Aww.
Let's make the night a classic. I wanna feel fantastic. Light me up in your magic. Who really cares what happens as long as I feel drums? Those drums from coast to coast.
So sorry, about 28.
Wanna feel those drums from coast to coast.
No girl, no fight.
I wanna feel those drums from coast to coast.
So I can go to the
Rain, how was it?
It was great.
Our tricks. It was great? Good. She love you. See that one breakdown, she ready to come out.
Maybe he doesn't like his job. Maybe he's having a bad day. You know how things get sometimes, guys. So we're trying to take a picture with the cams now. Talk to you guys later. So guys, we're on to the next adventure. It was fun riding the camels. I was a little bit scared at first, but I get the hang of it. I'm gonna have to, yeah, I'm gonna have to put away the camera for a little bit because right now we're gonna go downhill and I don't want to risk falling or dropping the camera. So talk to you guys later. Sure. Alright guys, we had to stop for a little bit because we had a whoa.
Lean forward.
We had a minor little don't laugh. We had a minor little incident, but we're trying to sort things back out again. Oh my god, Cherry's kind of actually fell off the thing and now Kurt with things malfunctioning. I don't know why I feel so hot. You feel hot? I need to take the shirt off. And you have on like a sleeveless shirt and you're hot.
What next after this?
I think it's the horse. Alright, we're good?
Michael Mann planted this one.
Wow.
Man, tractor will teach you about the plantation.
Okay.
Right.
Alright guys, we'll soon come back. Alright guys, so we're going on a jitney tour. So we're gonna get a tour of the place. And stuff. I want to talk and I'm gonna be no, I can go there. I just didn't want to be all the way at the front.
For those of you who just joined us, my name is Donovan.
Hi Donovan. You know it's true. I don't care either, but I'm just saying. Here we go, guys. This should be fun. Alright guys, I hope my battery don't die on me today so that I can get to show you guys all of what I'm doing. So right now we're on the jitney tour and I guess they're gonna give us a tour of the plantation and tell us a little bit about what how it was developed, who did what and who was who and all that stuff. So I'm gonna share a little bit of that with you. I probably won't share all because my battery is low. Yeah. And check here. So yeah, welcome to the jitney tour with me. I'm 612p, but unfortunately that's not happening right now. Yes, it kind of feels like when you're on a little old country bus and there's lots of potholes. That's the experience I'm having right now. It sounds like a construction truck as well. That's the sound I'm getting right now. You can't tell.
And to harvest, you pull up the entire plant and you harvest the roots. And they go like yam or potato. And they treat with the bright orange flower, African tulip or flame of the forest. Locally, we call it donkey peepee tree. You get it?
What you call it?
I'm not supposed to repeat.
Donkey peepee tree?
Yeah, because there are some pots and with water in it. You can pick them and spray them on your neighbor. That is why I get off. And if the brakes don't work, you go bobsledding, Jamaica Cool Running. And if you remember that movie Cool Running?
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you remember me?
Yeah, I remember you in the movie.
I was in it. Yeah. My brother was. And that is John Candy.
Funny.
A big white guy. And if you don't see the resemblance, they thought he's dead.
Oh.
And you're not supposed to take any pictures of me. Yeah, because I'm wanted in this state.
Which one?
No, the girls, they want me.
Oh.
And the manager want me, the lowing stick. Any Americans sitting here? Shame on you. Yeah, and you didn't do anything wrong, but you allow us to beat you at bobsledding, and we don't have snow. And you're not from the cruise ship? Oh, good, because it is leaving. Now, that's the town of Ocherius, which means 8 rivers in Spanish. Say when Christopher Columbus came there, he saw 8 rivers flowing from the hill to the sea. We think he was drinking rum or smoking because there weren't 8, there were 4. Fernville was one. St. Anne is also the birthplace of our reggae superstar. Everybody know him. The Bob Marley, the Nat Cartel.
Alright, good morning again. Good morning, Senor. Welcome to Jamaica. Where are you from? Jamaica?
Kingston
St. Andrew,
City.
New York.
Come. And you're in the shot. Oh God, I was scared, but it's kind of okay, you know, not so bad. Yeah, yes, auntie. Yeah. Guys, we're in Dubai. Me and the crew.
You know, travel to
Thank
Dubai
you.
for the weekend.
Right, and that's her new friend. Well, she don't like me. She likes
This is
Trick.
Nina, my new girlfriend.
She got mad when I touched Trick. She's Jal, but that's fine. Cause he's Mel.
What's up, man? Good? You crying?
That's so cute, guys. That's so.
I think he likes me.
Let's see if I can ride him.
I think he likes me.
Is he nice? Hi, baby.
I think he likes me.
He like man. He's a gay.
No, he's not gay. I'm just cool.
So we're about to enter the great house, guys. It's so beautiful. Get a nice picture right here.
So the rest of the property is still occupied by Prospect. They are the owner. You follow? Here we have a picture of the former owner, Sir Harold Mitchell, and his daughter. So he was a big man and was born Scottish, he sang English, and he sang Lami.
Don't play with dead people, man.
Call it the Great House. At 1945, he had a second.
It's serious, man.
Stop.
It's serious, you know?
That just means I'll make us whole wife, you know?
Food tastes good.
That's Step 1, get a piece of chicken breast. Oh my god.
Okay, so you got
Yummy. Making some jerk chicken. This is cool. All the chefs here, plantation chefs. Chef Tricks, Chef Tricks, Chef Scott down there handling Birthwood business. Chef Amor, yes. Cooking while basking in the sun. So pretty. should explore Jamaica because it's so beautiful. It's really amazingly beautiful. I'm making my own lunch, guys. Jerk chicken and callaloo and all that gigi. Lots happened, lots you missed. What you'll probably catch them up in my snaps. We went to the Great House Plantation. My battery was dying, as I mentioned earlier. I'm gonna get a little bit of charge now so I can show you guys a little bit more action. So I never get to show you guys us cooking at the Great House Plantation, but you guys will probably see snippets of that in my snaps, my snap videos that I'll insert either before this or after this. They did horseback riding, but I was a little bit scared to go on the horse. Sorry. I'm generally not a wimp, but like I just never know. No, I'm not. I just didn't feel safe. I didn't want to have a anxiety attack or anything. Oh, by the way, I changed my shirt. This one says row 1 for the, I don't know what it says because it's back and front and I can't tell it right now. Anyway, so now we're going to do the most exciting thing that I've been waiting for all damn day, and that is the wet and dirty, kind of like the ATV. You can hear them as I walk. You can see the guys getting the trucks ready and stuff. I'm not sure how the camera is going to work out for this one, but I'll try. And I bowed out from the horseback riding. I'm sorry, I'm not that brave for that one. Yeah, so I'll catch up with you guys soon. Peace, 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 peace. I'm all geared up. And which one are we going in? Alright, so again, this is gonna be my call for today. I'm gonna call her Betsy, okay? So we're going in Betsy. If I'm driving, you're vlogging. Here? Ready?
Ready?
Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna be the master driver right now.
Beach is all the way back.
So guys, this is very dirty. This is gonna be a dirty ride. That's why it's called wet and dirty.
Hold on a second, okay? Alright, hold on. Ready?
Ocean Park.
Pop a perk just to start it.
Go.
Got 2 cups of purple just to warm up. I heard you cheap, slippery. Whoa, excuse me, please me. I'm up, believe me. Get beat, cause I'm flexing Rarries. You can bet on me. Hey.
I'm about to fly in, hop in a Cayenne. I was just gliding, I just be styling. I'm on the high end, I'm on the fly end. We about to fly in, jump in the Cayenne, ran out of my lane, gotta go.
Alright guys, so we'll have to stop a bit because Scott and Sharice and Cara kind of give problems, so we'll have to be here waiting because the guide, he went for another vehicle so that they can get it. The thing was still clean when they get dirty yet. But they just wait and think, oh my god, I'm not ready to get dirty. My hair is gonna get dirty, oh my god. Like this is very cool, you know? It's so cool. You guys later, if I don't get to vlog a lot of this action, it's simply because this thing is gonna get muddy and I don't want my camera to get muddy and dirty. So I want a GoPro. Alright guys, so we are trapped in the woods. Ta-na-na-na, ta-na-na-na. Don't be mad, Sharice, this will go. Oh god. Now look at the woods that we are stuck in. The tour guides, them gone left way. This is so careless and reckless because Jesus, anything can come out of the woods right now.
face. Oh my god, Kurt, why you have to go and do research now? Yeah, I take up in. They want to take up in defense. They're coming back, so I'm going back down. Oh my god. Whoa! Yo, this shit's slippery now. Turn it off, man. Come on.
Oh, dude. Yeah.
Motorsport, put that thing in sports. Shout it bad, pop it like a court. You a dork, never been a sport. Pull up, jumping out the court. Cotton candy, my cup tastes like the fair.
But it's life I cannot change. In the hill, deep off in the main. M&M, sweet like candy cane. Drop the top, play hide and seek. Jump inside.
Alright guys, so I'll be here more than this not going right. Say hi guys. So we switch places. Chicks is now driving.
Ready for it?
Afraid now, chicks are killing me. But anyway, this is so fun. And the only thing I really don't like about this is that because we're doing it in a group, they keep stopping, so they kind of take the fun out of it. You know, beating another accident. So we're gonna have to change cars. Sad. Alright, so we get a new Betsy.
That's your car.
Oh my god.
That one name Lifesaver.
Lifesaver,
Yeah.
alright.
Good to go now.
Alright. Ready? Woo! Woo, woo. So now I'm the one in the
Lebe, lebe. Lebe, lebe. From Africa, all the way to Kingston, Jamaica. You know I go do different. Dancing, man. Everybody bust a dancing, man. Dancing, man. Everybody bust a dancing, man. Everywhere ding dong and ravers go, play smash up, you know. Play smash up, you know. Everybody will have vibes, everybody feel good, pan a hole, you know. Pan a hole, you know. Every time we touching at the club, everybody get a vibes, you know. Get a vibes, you know. Fi just dance, you know. Fi just dance, you know. Everybody catch this new dance. Come catch this new dance. Everybody catch this new dance. It name Lebe, Lebe, Lebe. Lebe, Lebe, Lebe. Everybody catch this new dance.
Bridget pan foot and Bridget pan foot.
Desert pan foot and desert pan foot.
Bridget pan foot and money in a bag. Any blood clot thing me want that me a go have.
Alright, guys. So I look like shit. Oh my god, look at my shoes. This is my whole self. Thank you. Look at my hands, straight dirt. So we're going to wash the dirt off our skins, I'm guessing. Before I do that, I'm just taking a break. Check out the scenery. It's us. Check out Scott. He's not us. Guys, we're so dirty, like this is not real. Oh my god. It would have been fun if
It was fun, but too many glitches.
We had a lot of glitches on the way, but all in all, it was kind of fun. It would have been more fun if we didn't have all those issues going on with the vehicles and everything else. But anyway, I'm gonna link in the back soon. I get this dirt off of my skin. Alright guys, so now we're chilling. It's a calm to the day and we're basically having Sunday dinner. This is the food that was provided in the package. So I'm having jerk chicken, macaroni and cheese, lettuce and all that stuff. Basically Sunday dinner. Everybody's really having the same thing. Yeah, we're gonna grab. See y'all later. Alright guys, so we had some food. There's still one thing left that I wanted to do. I wanted to go chill with the birds over there. So I'm gonna take a quick look on them because God knows at this point I am tired and I just really want to go home. So some quick look at the birds and then home. Alright guys, so I'm thinking this will be the end of this vlog for Yaaman Adventures. I hope you guys had as much fun watching this vlog as I had making it for you. Whoa, these birds are crazy. Anywho, I'm about to wrap this vlog up because I am tired. It was a full day and trust me, I'm beat. So we're about to head back into Kingston. Wants to buy tricks? Yeah, we're about to head back into Kingston at this point. Just as no. Okay. Okay, I guess I won't. Let's go back this way. Hope you guys had fun and please remember to
subscribe and follow us.
Comment, subscribe, and if you're new here and you've not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Oh my god. No. And if you're old here and you've still not subscribed, what the hell are you waiting on? Subscribe to your girl, you know? And see you guys in my next vlog.